Hi up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to untag yourself on Instagram. Firstly guys, you need to launch the application and then just jump up into your profile section. Right after you do that, just as you can see, I am on the first selection on my left side, but I have an option for tagging selfing. Go for the second option and here are all posts that you are related to a tag on it. Just click on the post that you're tagged on it. If you tap on it, here as you can see it is the tag on you. Now what you need to do, just simply click on the three dots on your right upper side and then go for the second solution that says tag options. Click on it and here on the first side with a red line section you have remove me from post. Click on that and here as you can see with this we have untag ourselves on Instagram. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys, have a nice day.